Hello, glad to introduce you to Instant Waste Management's resource recovery solution. We've recently invested heavily in a new state-of-the-art facility that enables us to recycle very high levels of the commingled waste collected from construction and demolition sites across the state. One of the things we're very pleased about here is the synchronicity of the system, enabling everything to move fluidly through the line and basically batch load large quantities of waste through and recycle pure quality materials out the other end. So I'm going to talk you through the process behind us briefly now. Basically, material coming through the apron feeder, be going through a primary screen that will sieve out anything that's smaller than 250 millimetres and divert it through drum magnets to extract the metal. Anything over 250 millimetres in size is sent over to a shredder that basically chews it up and chews it into smaller than 200 millimetre in size chunks, also extracting the metal out of the process using a giant rotating electromagnet. Then it runs through a sand oscillating screen which brings it down to less than 2 to 3 millimetres in a giant sieve. This basically removes all the organic impurities that are in the sand, leaving it with a lovely recycled colour that's recognisably easier to use in construction and also has stronger properties when you compact it correctly. Then the product is then fired through air knives on a conveyor line that's probably around half a kilometre long. It's one of the largest systems of construction and demolition in the state and in the country. Those air knives effectively remove the plastic and paper and cardboard that would have been destined to go to landfill. That gets segregated off, compacted and then stored to be recycled by others. In turn, we use the flotation tank that goes through the next stream in the process to separate the wood. Anything that's heavier, like jarrah or hardwoods, will need to be picked off the line, and we have hand pickers before and after the flotation tank to look for any impurities that might be in the products that we're recycling. The wood is then processed off to a recycling facility and turned into compost. So we have metal that's turned into reinforcement, wood that gets turned into composting materials and mulch, sand that gets turned into clean filled recycled sand, and lights that are separated off and can be sent off to the waste to gas industry. Finally, we have a crushed aggregate mix made up of concrete and clay. In summary, we're hoping to achieve higher levels of recycling. In the past, we won awards for a 70% recycling and diversion rate away from landfill. This new facility will be able to handle more volume, operate for shorter time periods, and easily achieve marks around the 80 to 90% mark, with the end goal in the long-term future being zero landfill. Now, if you want to order your products online from Instant, just go to www.instantwaste.com or call through on 9379 2111. We'd be more than happy to take your order. I look forward to speaking to you, and if you have any problem, feel free to call our dedicated customer service centre, which is Western Australian based. Thank you.